Welcome back, my people, to my channel. This is the warrior woman of Masairad, Central Kajiado. As you can see, this is the apiary we had earlier made. I think you can see in one of my first videos how we were making this apiary. We thought it is very secure, but I think the honey butcher is also very clever. As you can see, we are doing a bit of repairs. Like last night, it got in through that place where you can see this man trying to repair. I did not know that it can work on the wire mesh, cut it up, and get inside and mess up with the beehives. Now, my people, I have a problem. I think whoever has had such a problem can also give me or advise me on what to do. Because now we are repairing again, as you can see, and see whether this animal, the so-called honey butcher, is cleverer than us. Let me show you how it did at night. So this is the apiary. We want to repair it all the way around. We want to fasten it. Don't worry, there is a bit of sunflower. Although we have harvested the sunflower. From a distance, I think you can see the beehives. Let me set them properly. You see the stalks of the beehive of the sunflower are broken, but at least my people, you can see. You see, like those beehives, they are almost falling. The reeds are down. Let me show you. There is even a beehive. Look at that beehive down there. It has already eaten. My people, I hope you are seeing. You can see the reeds, you can see the boxes. Those are the beehives. My people, here they are bees. You can see the reeds are down. Even on the other side, I think through there you can see. That is the work of the honey butcher. And you can see how firm our house is. Now we want to straighten it a bit. Because it looks like, look at the door. It's like somebody's door. It's like for a house. Look, here we are yet to put more beehives. So my people, when I tell you about the honey butcher, just know it is a tough animal. Somebody advised me on how to work on it. Because it cannot keep on messing with my beehives. Bye-bye.